Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check update history in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first method we are going to use is by using setting app. So launch setting app. For that you need to right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. In the setting app you need to switch to Windows Update tab on the left side, and on the right side you need to click on this update history option. Here you will get list of update installed on your device in different categories. You can see that under this you will find quality updates. Here you will find driver updates. Under this you will find definition updates, and under this you will find other updates. So that's it. The second method we are going to use is using control panel. So open control panel, and for that you need to click on search icon and then type control panel. When it appears in the search results, click to open it. Now here you need to click on programs and features option. Now on the left side you need to click on this view installed updates link, and here you will get list of all the updates installed on your computer. So that's it. The third method is by using Windows Powershell, and for that open Powershell. You need to right click on the start button and then select Windows Terminal Admin. When UAC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now here you need to click on this down arrow and select Windows PowerShell from the menu. Now here you need to type this command. I have already added in the description, and hit enter. Now you will get the update history for this device. So that's it guys. These are three methods using which you can check update history in Windows 11. You can try these methods. If you have any query, feel free to drop in the comments. Also, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.